Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here today, my name is Payal, and today we are doing a haul, vegan haul. There was a fest near my place. I live in Poland, so there was a festival called Vegan Mania near my place. I went there and I had bought some vegan food products. So let's see. And if you're wondering, no, I'm not vegan. I am vegetarian. But since vegan food is part of vegetarian food, I like to explore vegan products also, mostly because they are having healthier ingredients, not all the time but mostly. So I like to explore the products and I like to try them, and yeah, so I got some products from the festival. So let's start. And if you would like to know more about veganism, I have an article on my website. I will put the link in the description box below, so you can go check it out if you want to know more. But for now, let's start. So the first product I got from there is this Indian snack called Bhakarwadi. This is a very common snack in India, especially in the region of Gujarat. I was not expecting it, but there was an Indian stall as well there, and they were selling ready-made meals and some snacks. So I picked this up from there. It's not the healthiest snack and I don't eat it that often. It's okay sometimes. The ingredients are wheat flour, gram flour, tomato, salt, coconut powder, sugar, chili, sesame seeds, fenugreek, spices and condiments, edible vegetable oil. So the only bad ingredient that I see here is sugar. Apart from it, all the other ingredients are fine, and also the fact that this might be deep fried, which should be avoided mostly, but for now it's fine. So this is the first product that I got, and the second thing that I got is this vegan mayonnaise. I have already opened this and it is really good. The ingredients are rapeseed oil, water from chickpeas, which is aquafaba. It's the water that we boil chickpeas in. It has lots of nutrition and it's used these days in a lot of vegan products. Some citrus, garlic, nutritional yeast, which is very healthy, sugar, water, salt and pepper. This is really tasty. It's from this brand called Eterno. I don't know if it will be available where you are, but it's a Polish brand, I think. But these days there are lots of vegan mayonnaise available in the market, so you can always check them out. The next product I got is vegan butter. I have never had vegan butter earlier. In general, I don't consume butter. If I want to toast some bread up, then I would use a little bit of ghee or olive oil, or if I want to put something on the sandwich, then I would make tofu paste and I will put that up, or something healthier like hummus. So but I got this one just to try it out. How is it? And it's made from cashews, coconut oil, water and some cultured bacteria. So I have not tried this yet, but I will try it. And the next product that I got, this is also from Eterno, the same brand where we had the vegan mayonnaise from. It's this sort of sauce made out of ginger and lemons. It is very tangy and at the same time spicy in taste. It was tasting very different, so that's why we got it. The ingredients are ginger, citrus, water, sugar, salt, rapeseed oil. Yeah, pretty much the same set of ingredients that were there earlier in mayonnaise also, except for the ginger. I have not opened it yet. I'm yet to try it. I think this can be enjoyed as a side with Indian dishes like naan and some curry, and on the side I think we can enjoy this. And this is the next product that I got. I'm very excited to try this. This looks really good. It's made out of tofu and some vegetables. It's extremely healthy and clean. It's veggie paste that you can put on some toast, or you can also use this to make pasta, and you don't need to make another sauce for your pasta. It has all good ingredients. This is from the brand Atelier Smaku. This is also Polish. They also have a store nearby the place I live, so they also sell some meals there. So I'm planning to soon go there and try some of the meals out. I had tasted this before buying it, and it was really good. I'm so excited to try it. And for our last category, we have some sweets. So number one is this. It's a spread like we have Nutella. So this one is made out of sesame seeds and some cacao, vanilla extract, some lemon. Yeah, it looks very healthy. All the ingredients are very clean. So this is a Polish name which is spelled as halwa, and halwa is also a word in Hindi, and it is also a sweet dessert. So yeah, I found it very interesting and I bought this, and I'm so excited to try it. And the next product that I have is this. This one is, I think, exactly like Nutella. This is not the first time that I bought it. I have bought it previously. I think last year there was a veggie fest here, and these guys were there as well, and I had bought it and I really liked it. So this time I bought two of these. It's hazelnut spread. In taste, I think it's even more tastier than Nutella, because Nutella I find very sweet for me, and this one has the apt amount of sweetness according to me. And its ingredients are hazelnuts, dates, coconut oil, cacao powder. So it's really good. It doesn't have any unnatural sugar or any palm oil or salt, which is usually present in most of these canned goods, and it doesn't have any of those. Since it doesn't have a lot of preservatives, also all of these products have a very small shelf life, so as soon as you open it you need to finish it really soon. But I think that is fine with me. Instead of buying something that has a lot of preservatives and then is really unhealthy, I tend to buy these products. And the last thing that we have today is this chocolate. It's from this brand called Tang Chocolado Zero. So it is vegan, it doesn't have any sugar, it doesn't have gluten as well, and I think she said this was 55% chocolate. I will try it now. This is, I think I bought, yeah, kava, so which means coffee. This is coffee based chocolate. The last time that I was there, I bought coconut based, and it was really good. So yeah, it's good. So those were all the things that I bought from Vegan Mania. If you would like to see more such videos, comment below and let me know. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.